Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to view the secrets of your repository on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So basically after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your repository, and here we will find the settings, and basically you will need to click on setting, and down we will go to security section, and basically here we will find secrets and variable. You go to secrets and variable and you go action, and here we will find the secrets, and now we can see all the secrets and environment or repository secrets that are contained or that are used and added to our repository or any repository that you are using. And basically you will find them here and listed here, and then you can just use them, etc. But of course you cannot see the value of your secrets because they are encrypted, so they are hidden in the GitHub. So basically this is how you can view them. Thank you for watching and see you next time.